Hi, in this video I'll talk a little bit about installing Inkscape and why use it. Now installing is pretty easy. All you have to do is go to the official site inkscape.org, and there on the top right corner you'll see a download now link, or you can go to the left and from the menu choose download, and the link will take you to a page where you can see all the release packages and choose the one that is suitable for your system. And after downloading the installer, installing itself is pretty easy. There's nothing difficult about that. Now, why use Inkscape? The first reason for that is because you're interested in creating and editing vector graphics. The second one is because this is fully functional, fully featured, and very powerful software. Just because it's free, don't think that this is not a software that can do the job. And the third reason is because it's free. And when I say free, there is no catch there. You don't have to upgrade to some kind of a pro version, which is paid, or to pay for some services. There's nothing like that here. When you download this, you get the fully functional, fully featured software. And of course you can upgrade when there is a new stable version, but again, that will be free. Now in the next video I'll talk a little about what is Inkscape, what are vector graphics, and what is open source software. So stay tuned for that, and bye for now.